Thank you for stopping by. This video will be in broken, and the question that I saw on Facebook, it makes me wonder who will ever say no. The question say, in your next life, will you like your mom to be your mom again? If they were like, will you like your father to be your father again, and people say no, it's understandable. But this one, they can't say no. When I scroll, we will do it together. When I saw those no, then that's when I say, okay, let me talk about it, because I know why this no happens. So no actually happens when a mom becomes the disciplinarian. During my younger age, I nearly developed serious hatred for my mom. Why? Because she was more of the disciplinarian in our house. Where my father, actually he wasn't very sound, so he was a little sick. So because of that, my mom took up the role to do the discipline work. But that one is understandable. Like now, I know it now, But that time, I don't understand what is going on. So I was thinking there is that kind of hatred from her, and this is what we need to let our kids to know. But in most cases, the man decided not to do his own part. In most cases, it's not the men that decided not to do, it's their wife that decided to stop the man. If you continue to attack your man from doing his disciplinary work, the man will leave the work alone for you. And this is the kind of thing that might happen. Let's go to comment section together. All I'm trying to show you here is a realistic world that we are living in. Even in social media, you can see, even if they are joking, or you will notice some sincerity, because social media is more of the public, how people reason. My work here is to work on why would they reason like that, because no matter anything, people will always become people. Human being will always be human being. The way people reason will always be differ from each other. So, but our work, as we claim to be teachers or want to claim that we are grown, is to make sure, say we help to nurture, bring a sound thinking or thought into the society. So I'm actually surprised to see some people saying no. So let's take it from here. No. I'm just seeing, that is the first comment that I saw that made me want to do this video. This one say no. But that doesn't mean that I don't love her. I love her, but I don't want her to be my mom in my next life. And somebody asked, if I may ask why, what has she done that hurt you so much? Then she now replied, very touching comment here. Dear, now God fit understand what I am facing because of my mom. May God help her, may God see her through. So whatsoever she is facing, and most of the time this will be because I don't know if it's a girl or, but it looks as if it's a girl writing this. Whatever she is facing as a result of that, may God console her, see her through. But this is touching. And if you go down, some people are very, very, you will just see this one say, your dad is late. That will be a lesson for you too, as a woman or lady, not abandoning your children no matter the situation in marriage. Rather seek God's help when crisis arises in marriage. This person is talking from the angle, because some of them are saying no because their mother abandoned them in their marriage and then go after new relationship. But this woman is trying to say, no matter what, seek God's intervention, because if you abandon your children, they will definitely hate you for life. And so many people say, like there's one I saw, you can read them by yourself. This one say, remember that anything you said to your mom, your children will surely say the same thing to you, to either reject or reject your mom or accept your mom for next life. This one say, it's Rosie. You can't understand me until you are in my place. I love her. I wish her well in life. I don't wish to be like her. Just imagine when a woman is no more good, is not a role model for her children. It's very touching. So I don't wish to be like her. I wish to be different. I don't hate her, okay? If my children talk about me like that, I will be hurt. But I pray to be different because I don't like some things about her. That's life. God forgive me. So this is, she is trying to defend her comment. Now, in moving on, you say, no, I don't want her to be my mom again, even now. And the person doing this is a boy, okay? Now, here is another one. No, because she left me alone and died young. Okay. May her soul continue to rest. This one is different. And you see, that's why I want to bring this topic to you, so that you see some of the things going on. Sometimes people, you go through social media, the parts or the things you see, some of the posts you see, and if you are a kind of person like me who I studied anthropology, how people reason and why people reason the way they reason. I decide to most time go through the comment section, see how people comment, and you will notice those that are playing. You will see some that are very emotional, some that are very transparent. This one saying never, 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 but I still love her. This is touching too. Is a lady saying this. No, no, no. Yes, yes, I miss her. May her soul continue. Me too, I miss my mom. May her soul continue to rest in peace. I love my mom, though I hated her when I was 16. She was really dealing with me. She made me who I am today. She made me know how to reason, not just to open mouth and talk anyhow. She made me, instead of talking anyhow, I should stammer. Learning how to bite my tongue before speaking. Learning how to speak from the mind, from the brain, not from the stomach, and not from the heart. Let the word in your heart go to your brain and recycle it, digest it before you allow it out. It's my mom that did that. My father was always behind her, supporting most of her action. My dad is very simple guy in nature. He don't want trouble. But my mom liked to cook out everything, to deal and process whatsoever we are doing, So this one say, God forbid, she can never be my mom. And let me see the reply people gave her. She's a lady. Why do you say no? Vivian Obona. Okay, people, oh no, you no go understand. You see, 9 months pregnancy is not hate, it is love. So people are like trying to attack her. Why will she say no? I don't even know her. Okay, this one, this one don't even know. This one say, God forbid. How can people even say no? And some of them are no more the young age like I was when my own time. I quickly understood my mom immediately. And one of the reasons why women run out of that love is because when you are disciplining your child, let her or him know. Let your children know why you are doing what you are doing. Any no you say to them, let them know the reason. If you don't tell them the reason, you are the one killing the love. You are tearing them apart. So I really, really, really got so emotional when I saw people writing no, no, no. No, because I didn't see her. Okay, yes, 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 no. I still feel okay. No, you get why. So there will always be reason for no. This one say no, 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 totally no. I am not on. I am on my own. You see, whereby, and this is the world we are living in now. There's a lot of comment that I can't even manage to go through because no, and don't ask me why. There is a lot of problem going on. Till I stop reincarnating in this world, she will surely be my mother, and any continent she reincarnated to, I will surely find my way to her, even if she's, even if even if is to leave me without marriage. Okay, so this one say no. Uh, why do you say no, say so? So people are always curious to know why will someone say no, but there are more people saying yes anyway. But at least about 40 to 30% have said no, 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 no. Why would there be no? Why would there be hatred among children and their mother? This is very important. Comment in the comment section your own part, your own mindset, so that I will also pick it up from there. If you know why, from me, I think two reasons why. The first reason is when the mother becomes a disciplinarian in the house. Second reason is when you say no to your children, when you try to do anything to them contrary to their demand, you did not want to tell them no, the reason. So if you don't know how to tell them no, or sorry, if you don't know how to tell them why you say no, this can bring a different virus, a different result completely. I wait you on the comment in the comment section. And if you have been watching this video, please try your best to comment, I beg you in the name of the Lord, or like, so that YouTube will know that I'm doing something reasonable. God bless you. Bye.